Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are trying on the Canada Goose Expedition Parka in North Star White. So we'll start out by examining the packaging that comes when you order online. I know that they do sell these coats in a lot of department stores, so when you order them in person, you should still receive the same extras, meaning the warranty or the guarantee card, as well as what comes underneath the box in our package, which is a hanger that says Canada Goose, as well as a Canada Goose garment bag. This garment bag is pretty cool because it does have a zipper on the top, leading to a special compartment throughout the front of the bag to store some extras. Alright, taking our first look at the jacket, we can see that the front is adorned with a lot of pockets. Of course, this coat is called the Expedition Parka, so we can imagine that if we're on an expedition, we might need to hold a lot of things that can be easily accessible. So if that is what you're looking for, this version is definitely for you. I know there are a few other updated or more new models that offer the same type of organization, but this is definitely one of the Canada Goose classics. We can see that we do have the elastic material that goes around the wrist to keep out any excess air. So again, supporting the Expedition name, this is a very warm jacket. Taking a look on the inside of the jacket when we have it on, we can see we have the option to use the elastic cinches to make it a little bit more form-fitting. So again, that's going to help with the warmth. We also have a waist Velcro, for lack of better words, to, I'm not really sure, keep it in place or keep it close to the body. If you know what this is for and if you like this feature, let us know in the comments below. We saw we had one internal pocket on the left chest, which I'm a bit surprised there aren't more given the amount of pockets on the exterior, but I guess if you want to stay fully warm, you don't want to access those pockets inside so much. You'd rather have them on the outside, so I think it checks out. Of course, the hood and the front zip of the jacket extend very high up, so if you do want that full coverage, that full face coverage, and really just full insulation of the coat, you definitely have that with this model. And just highlighting a few additional pockets on the exterior. If you are someone that keeps your hands in your pockets, the top fold pocket can be a little challenging, so we do have those side zippered pockets. Of course, we can't forget those nifty elastics around our hands. Those are definitely going to help keep in additional warmth, especially if you're wearing gloves or things like that. Taking a look at the back of the jacket, we have a hook that says Expedition, which I think more than anything is just a style element. And of course, along the zipper, we have a removable fur. This is actually an element that is going to be discontinued with 2023 and on. Last, we do have the straps inside this jacket that make our Canada Goose a backpack for when we're not wearing it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe.